Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to episode 2 of the Rustic Patio Makeover.
Hi everybody, it's Kendra. How are you? Alright, we're back in my back patio and I've been doing the back patio makeover and it's quite rustic, as you can tell. I just want to let everybody know that it's kind of fun to get everything like donated, get free stuff from friends, check the Craigslist free stuff, and even pick up things from right off the side of the road. You know, you can always repurpose things that you find. Now what I'm going to do tonight is repaint this. It's a fire log container. It's got 2 compartments. I'm going to go ahead and take it from this dark metal black to an off-white or a light pretty robin's egg blue, and then tomorrow morning it will be ready to go. I'll fill it with some brand new fresh succulent soil and give these beautiful babies a new home, and we'll leave it back here in this back part. And I'm working on one other project I want to talk to you about. Okay?
Alright everybody, so I left you at episode 1 and everything looked kind of like this. One of the first projects I needed to tackle was to lengthen the size of the patio. I've done that now, and now I'm putting the pots back in place. I've extended the patio by dropping in these pavers. Tomorrow I'm going to go ahead and encase them with gravel. All right, in a matter of 1 short hour and a half, I am beginning to make progress back here. Now keep in mind this is an organic, rustic backyard patio area, not fancy. But I have styled this corner and it feels comfortable at this point and I'm happy with it. We were able to go ahead and relocate and move all of these back by about a foot. So I'll fill this area in right here with stone and gravel, and then was able to clean up this corner where we had so much happening over in this corner right here that I'm showing you. There were just a lot of succulents right there. So then I went ahead, moved this whole grouping back by about 6 inches, maybe 8 inches. And then I've just landed all of these pots conveniently in front. And so now that is taken care of. This is coming along really well. I'm very happy about the progress, and it looks like I could be done much sooner than I thought.
The other project that I'm going to be working on tomorrow to finish this back patio makeover is I want to repot a lot of the plants from these 2 cabinets. I want to get them into fresh soil because many of them have been in the same soil for a couple of years now, and I want to refreshen the pots, make sure that it's all healthy soil for them to start growing bigger and bigger. Thing that I will do is work on that back porch. It's a very small area. I'm just going to coat it with a bright white paint, an outdoor latex, and we'll be finished, we'll be done, good to go, and probably won't need to revisit this project for a couple of years. Alright, thanks for joining me. This is episode 2.
Thanks for joining me, and tune in to episode 3 next time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.